Welcome to our special session on Advanced Copilot at Work. Today, we're diving deep into the practical applications of advanced AI features. Advanced Copilot is designed to supercharge your productivity by seamlessly integrating AI assistance into your daily workflows. It's more than just a tool, it's a collaborator. Our first scenario tackles complex data analysis. See how Copilot can quickly process large data sets and extract meaningful insights. We'll start by using natural language prompts to set up a sophisticated data query, eliminating the need for manual coding or complex database commands. Next, we refine the output using simple, natural language commands to filter, sort, and visualize the data exactly how we need it. Our second scenario showcases Copilot's prowess in code generation and debugging, a game changer for developers. Watch as Copilot instantly generates a functional code snippet based purely on a detailed description of the required logic and outputs. When errors creep in, Copilot quickly identifies and suggests fixes for bugs, significantly reducing debugging time and frustration. Scenario 3 explores how Copilot assists with creative content drafting, streamlining communications and marketing efforts. We'll use Copilot to generate a compelling draft for a marketing email, starting with just a few key points and the target audience. See how easy it is to iterate on the draft, adjusting the tone to be more formal or casual, and condensing or expanding the length with a single command. A powerful feature is custom instructions, allowing you to tailor Copilot's responses to your specific style, knowledge base, and project needs for consistent, personalized output. Advanced Copilot is transforming how we work, making complex tasks simpler, faster, and more efficient. Embrace the future of work today with advanced AI.